Feeling overwhelmed by the plethora of financial products out there? Not sure which ones are right for you? Here are some of the best consumer financial products that can help you reach your financial goals. Number 1, high yield savings account. A high yield savings account is a great way to earn interest on your savings, and it's FDIC insured, making it a safe option for your money. Number 2, low fee index funds. Investing in low fee index funds is a simple and low cost way to invest in the stock market, and it's a great way to build wealth over time. Number 3, credit cards with rewards. If you're going to use credit cards, be careful with that. You might as well use one that rewards you for doing so. Look for credit cards that offer cash back or travel rewards. Number 4, low interest personal loans. If you need to borrow money, a low interest personal loan can be a great option. It can help you consolidate debt, pay for unexpected expenses, or make a big purchase. And number 5, life insurance. Having life insurance can provide financial security for your loved ones in case something unexpected happens to you. It's an important consideration to protect your family's future. By using these financial products, you can reach your financial goals and make the most of your money. So don't wait. Start exploring your options today. For more personal finance tips, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.